This winterland is Chaska, Minnesota. Chaska is the site of the immunoassay business. I work in operations. I am a scientist in the technical operations team that supports reagent manufacturing. Our reagents range from raw materials to in-process antibody formulations to final test kits. Our job simply is to fix things when they fail. With customer demand high and business bustling, our job is neither dull nor slow. We are constantly reviewing and analyzing data, doing fishbone diagrams and mini PSPs in our heads, and coming up with countermeasures to get products back into the manufacturing flow. Our fixes range from easy to challenging to what my manager likes to call requiring heroic efforts. It is at these times that I get to see the best team win. With a competent, dedicated, effective tech ops crew in collaboration with quality, regulatory, and development, we come up with countermeasures to rescue and rework product to get it back into production.